Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. I'm so sorry guys that I didn't have any nail art tutorial video up last week for you. Things just had been a little crazy, and with swatching more collections for Halloween and the upcoming month, I just kind of ran out of time. I also started a new job. My time when I could swatch and film during my breaks, I don't have that right now while I'm still learning. But anyways, I do hope that you will enjoy today's video. Our theme is blood, and it's again through our Facebook group community, and I do hope that you will enjoy this video. If you do, then please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here or coming from the other channels that joined into today's collab, then welcome. I hope that you will like what you see here, and if you do, then please hit the subscribe button as well. And I promise that I will really try to have my Tuesday nail art tutorial videos up for you, as I have been doing it for quite a while now. So it just really, life happens and we live in some crazy times these days. Anyways, if you do have any questions, comments, please leave them for me in the comment section, and I will link for you what I can also in the description box, including all the links to the videos that were created for this collab, and all the pictures will be also at the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for being here today. I hope you guys are getting ready for Halloween. If you are, then please stay safe, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.